Hello guys and welcome to the Prime Tech Solution. So you guys are probably wondering, is it possible to use the PC and upload the YouTube Shorts video? Actually, it is really easy and simple. All you have to do is just go here, upload video, and don't worry, it is gonna upload the shorts. You guys are probably thinking that this just upload the video, but it is not. Just select whatever file it is, but just make sure whatever file you make, it has the resolution of the shorts. So after just clicking, drag over here, just wait for it to upload. Yeah, let me just add the name over here. I don't want this is look, you can see over here, for now you can't change the thumbnail on YouTube Shorts. So as soon as you upload any of the video which contain the resolution of the shorts, that will directly upload it as a shorts. You can just select the playlist whatever you want, just age restrict, like made for kids or not, and you can add your text whatever you want, select the language, and that is the common thing, and just hit the next, and there you go, public. And as soon as you public it, I'm not just gonna share it, it's because it's my this YouTube channel and it's a comedy video, so I'm not gonna share it. But let me just show you uh over here. Look, it is uploaded as a shorts. Let me just show you the live example as well. Save, and yeah, this one, view on YouTube. As you can see over here, it's showing as a shorts. It's on my channel. It's a private, so no one can see. Probably you can make it public as well. So this is the best and easiest way to make the shorts online directly. But I suggest is that if you use the phone, any of the mobile phone you have, that will be better, that you can get lots of option for editing and putting on the text and stuff. And over here you just have to simply let's just edit it from the another any of the video editors, and then you have to upload it. So that's the only thing. So that's all. Thank you very much for watching. Take care.